On a very hot summer day, a crow was flying in the sky. The sun was shining brightly, and the land below was dry and empty. The poor crow was very, very thirsty. His throat was dry, and his wings felt weak. But he didn't give up. He kept searching for water everywhere, near trees, in the fields, and by the houses. But he could not find even a single drop to drink. At last, the crow's eyes caught sight of an old clay pot lying under a tree. He quickly flew down, his heart full of hope. When he looked inside, he saw a little water at the bottom. But there was a problem. The water was too low, and his beak couldn't reach it. For a moment, the crow felt sad. But then he stopped and thought, "There must be a way," he said to himself. Suddenly, the clever crow had an idea. He looked around and saw many small stones lying on the ground. One by one, he picked them up in his beak and dropped them into the pot. Plop, plop, plop. Slowly, the water began to rise higher and higher until it reached the top. The crow bent down, drank the cool water with great joy, and felt fresh and strong again. With a happy heart, he spread his wings and flew away into the sky. So, the moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is always a way.